Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Sagittarius, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Sagittarius out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. I've pulled two energy oracle for you here, Sagittarius. The first card that I've got for you here is the Loving Woman. And the next card that I've got for you here is Happy Success, which is quite a good cards to get. And the overall energy that I've got for you here for the month of August is Angels of the Fourth Direction. So just know with this card here, I'm definitely sensing that you are definitely protected and you're definitely blessed here in the month of August coming up strongly here, because I'm definitely sensing you have the angels protecting you in all four direction coming up here. So this basically Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, as well as Archangel Uriel coming up strongly here. So whenever you're feeling doubt, or whenever you're feeling this energy of just feeling down or just feeling fearful, here is time for you to just step back for a minute, take a deep breath, and just call upon the archangels here to protect you and to guide you here. You could even ask them to show you the sign that they're surrounding you, and they're basically protecting you coming up strongly here, Sagittarius. And with this Loving Women and Happy Success coming up together, I'm definitely sensing that for some of you, you have been doing such a tremendous healing, such a tremendous inner work coming up strongly here, Sagittarius. That's basically for you, you're basically already in touch with your divine power here. Again, the gender doesn't matter, even though it says the Loving Women here. So this could actually be for men and women. The gender doesn't matter. So for men, you could basically already in touch with your divine masculine or divine feminine power here. So that coming up strongly here, Sagittarius. And with this Happy Success, I'm definitely sensing that you are in this month of August, you're definitely going to reap a lot of success when it comes into your life. This could again coming up from the place of finances, work related, as well as relationship wise coming up strongly here. And with the color yellow, blue, and purple, I do feel like for some of you, you need to focus on your sacral chakra here, especially if you've been having a pain in your lower back. That's basically an indication that your sacral chakra needed balancing or needed healing here. And the color blue is also the representation of a throat chakra, and the color purple here, the representation of a third eye chakra. So those are the three chakras that you need to focus on to balance it and to heal it. If you feel some kind of a blockage surrounding those three chakra coming up here. So let's get into your tarot reading here. The first card that I've got for you here is the Sun, followed by the King of Swords and the Strength card coming up here, Sagittarius. So yeah, with this Strength card, this definitely indicates, wow, the Sun card and the Strength card coming up together. So I'm definitely sensing that you're about to reap out a very abundance, like such a huge abundance that you're about to walk in here in the month of August here, Sagittarius. Definitely such a good reading coming up here. With this Strength card, I'm definitely sensing that it's time for you to rely on the divine strength, especially with this the angels of four direction coming up together here. So whenever you're feeling low, whenever you're feeling down, whenever you're feeling fearful or doubtful, here it's time for you to just step back and call upon the divine, call upon the angels, call upon your spirit guide, your ancestor, God, whoever you're believing in. Basically just call upon them here. And definitely with this Strength card here, which is also the representation of a Leo, with this Sun card, I'm definitely sensing like this full moon in the month of August, which is I think going to happen on 3rd of August, is definitely going to be a huge blessing, like basically going to come to form a huge blessing coming up for you here, Sagittarius. So I would suggest you to be more grounded within yourself with this upcoming full moon here. Try to do saging, sage yourself, do some spiritual bath here. That kind of energy I'm getting strongly. You could be dealing with the air sign Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be dealing with a Leo as well here. With this King of Swords energy, I'm definitely sensing like this is more this is more of you instead of your person coming up here as the King of Swords energy. As I feel like with this past few months you have done so much of inner work, you have learned so much of things here, they have gone through such a huge level of enlightenment or awakening here, that you just at this point of time coming up from the place of just, you're just chilling, you're just coming up from the place of patience and know that okay, this is what is supposed to happen, and I'm going to be patient because I know I'm supposed to reap the rewards here. So instead of feeling anxious, instead of feeling worried, instead of having this like going through this, okay, when is my reward is coming, when is my reward is coming, instead of from that mindset, you basically have shifted out your mindset to be the patient one and waiting for your reward to come in here. And with this King of Swords energy, I do feel like you have gone through so much of learning, and when I mean learning here, this is basically an indication towards me that you have gone through so much of soul work here, that you understand the purpose of your soul. You basically understand the mission that you have and the mission that you need to carry here, Sagittarius. So with this Sun and the Strength card coming up here, so after you understand the purpose, after you understand the mission that you basically have, that you basically need to carry here, and with this Fool card coming up at the bottom of the deck, this is basically an indication towards me that you're just ready to go into this new adventure. And when you go into this new adventure, you're not coming up from the place of fear anymore, you're coming up from the place of faith, that you understand that no matter what you do, no matter where you go, you have the divine support coming up towards you here. Like you basically have the divine protection coming up strongly in your reading, and as well as in your life in the month of August coming up here, Sagittarius. The next card that I've got for you here is the Page of Swords, followed by the Harvest and the Three of Pentacles coming up here as well. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is Two of Pentacles. So as you can see here, with this Two of Pentacles to the Three of Pentacles here, so I'm definitely sensing that you have gone through so much of progress. I'm definitely sensing a lot of progress coming up in your reading here, Sagittarius, because as you can see here, at one point you were juggling, or at one point you're kind of having hard time to balance yourself here, especially when it comes into your emotion and your ego. And with this Two of Pentacles, like there was a time where when you're just having all this, like you just go through all this dark night of the soul, and now with this Three of Pentacles, you have come to a position that you understand, okay, everything is meant for a reason. And as you can see here with this Three of Pentacles, this is basically your guide, which is again the angels of the four direction coming up here. So you're definitely protected, you're definitely being blessed, you're definitely being guided coming up strongly here, Sagittarius. And instead of resisting the change, you have decided to just go with the flow and just learning things as your spirit guides, as your ancestor, as the divine is basically teaching you here. And thus you have come to the point here that you can say that you're about to, like, you just have entered your divine power here and about to report a huge abundance coming up. Your harvest season is definitely coming up strongly here, Sagittarius. So all this pain, all this dark night of the soul, all this healing, all this karmic healing records that you have been doing here, all this past life regression, basically everything that you've been doing here to be the position that you are at this point of time here, you're about to report into the biggest harvest season in your life coming up here strongly, Sagittarius. So again, this could be related to your job, related to your finances, or even like a love situation, related to your love situation coming up here strongly, Sagittarius. And with this Page of Swords energy here, Sagittarius, what I'm getting here is that I do feel like some of you here, or even majority of you here, have gone through a lot of manifestation. Like I do feel like, as you can see here with this book coming up here, I do feel like some of you have been doing journaling, have been doing manifestation during the full moon energy. So in this past few months, the new moon as well as the new moon energy here, instead of worrying, or instead of having anxiety, or instead of just building up your fear here, you basically have understood that what are the things that you need to do for a change coming up here, Sagittarius. So you've been doing lots of inner work, lots of manifestation here, so you're definitely about to reap out all this manifestation that you've been doing for the past few months coming up here. A very, very amazing reading I've got for you here, Sagittarius. So let's pull one oracle card as we are closing up the reading here. The card that I've got for you here is Celebration. Wow, which is just go hand in hand with the whole reading coming up here. And the message that I've got for you here, Sagittarius, is that a positive outcome is assured. Celebrate your success and enjoy your achievements. So definitely you're about to jump into the season of celebration, lots of celebration, lots of abundance, lots of harvest. Like this is basically your harvest season coming up here strongly, Sagittarius. So advance congratulations for you. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Strength card. This challenge will make you stronger. You will get through to the other side and look for the gift in this situation. So again, this is time for you to rely. I do feel like some of you have been relying so much on your divine strength instead of your own ego strength coming up here, and this is why, and this is how you actually go through all these trials, all this, you know, like all this dark night of the soul here. So again, congratulations for you, Sagittarius. Definitely such an amazing reading, and please just keep me updated in the comment section as well. So yeah, that's it for your August reading. I hope the reading resonates. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.